1, 2, 3, go.
Stay listening to DJ Capcut.
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram, posting. Cop the vibe, my dick, start falling like London Bridge.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, my name's Lou and welcome to the Z Student. So in this video, I'm going to be trying out Tabo Daka's maintenance routine. This intro is, I just realized I didn't film an intro, so yeah. Guys, I'm growing. Okay, I'm growing, so we got our nails did. I'm still getting used to like opening stuff, pressing my phone, because I tried to do ting on my phone and it failed. I needed to do, you know, like use this part. I don't know how to act. I legit don't know how to act. See, maybe I'll be a French tip girly. I like how the almond shape. This is supposed to be almond shape. I asked somebody in the store, I'm like, do the nails look good? And she's like, what shape are you going for? And I'm like, oh, that's bad. Because if you can't see the shape I was going for, then it's not all that, you know. I didn't want them too long. I think this is an okay length. Yeah, this is how they look from this side. I'm still getting used to this bump like feeling. I don't know how to feel about these nails. Is this how nails are supposed to feel? Is this how they are supposed to look? Like, anyway, we paid the money. We might as well just like them because we paid the money. But up next, I need to do my hair. Right now, I'm waiting for power to be restored, and then I can go to the salon, wash my hair, have it blonde tomorrow on in the morning. Oh wait, I have a class. Oh, yikes. Okay, go for my class, come back. But no, I don't like doing my hair in the afternoon. Like I just need to go somewhere, like, you know. And you know that thing for when you do your nails and then you're talking with your nails. I don't know how to act. I know I said I was going to do my nails like during graduation and what, but well, the circumstances. Yeah, my sister just said, just do your nails. Like, you don't need to wait for a specific time. Like, oh, now I'm going to do my nails. Now I'm going to do I'm only going to wear this dress when this happens. Like, what if that time doesn't come? You know? So this time I was feeling like doing my nails, and I went ahead and I did my nails. So yeah. Anyway. So I need to do my hair. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm just a girl. I feel like I've just been talking. Guys, like, even the way I'm talking is different. I don't know if it's just me. Like, I just caught myself talking a certain way just because I have my nails done. Yo, it's my first time doing my nails. But anyway, I'm going to do my braids. And then I'll look cute. Yeah.
Catch me if I fall.
Hey guys, so I've come to. Why are you looking at me?
I'm not looking at you. Continue.
I'm making me feel
So you're restarting.
Yes, I'm restarting. You.
No, it's doing 2013.
Okay. Hey guys, so I've come to do my nails. Should I folk seka? Guys, because of what I'm seka in
Content creating, sir. What do you have?
So I've come to my nail tech, Kasapo, and she's going to do something. I don't know, maybe we're going to do a soak off and then like just do new nails, or she's going to fix this set. Kasapo, advertise your business. Start. ati shirandetsungu namchivemba walongwa.
Advertise, I'm a nail tech. Come and do your nails. Oh my god.
What's your Instagram?
My TikTok is Nails by Casa.
Mm-hmm.
You can visit my page. And I'm found in 4 different towns: Kasama, Kabwe, Lusaka, and Livingston.
Okay, wait, let me just ask you one question. Who's one person who you dream of doing their nails, such that the day you do their nails you even think at? Okay. We'll come back to this video when you do Mutalemanza's nails. Otherwise we'll tag her. Thank you, Kasapo.
You're welcome. Thanks for supporting my business.
So catch me if I fall.
Capture.
I've already started. Kasapo, in 5 years you look back at these
get
videos
out.
as where I started from.
I'll still be using the same things.
You be
No, I'll be using plastic. But
you
why?
buy kama
I
soap
remember
of
in
book.
my head.
Nga walwala dementia.
okay.
Dementia.
It's fine. Now I have to do this for 9 other fingers.
Yes. So how long am I supposed to wait paka the soko?
We don't know.
Ah, Kasapo. But they'll come out.
But you're recording.
Of course I'm recording. Babes, like, hello.
Okay. Knowing people for content, once you can go viral.
But Nisha, a content creator also you. So do the
Not yet. Shash telling lights.
So content creator can ring light.
My content is just nails.
Hey, who content creator
Shash
worrying?
telling lights, guys. So in Shkopa. Once I have a process.
Kasapo, but na ini apa shile won't be ring light.
Are you
Natural
the
light
one
is
doing the
fine.
nails? Now me, how am I going to hold? I can't tutor every customer to hold things for me. See? Now I have to put it down.
Now we do the other hand. Hey, I can't even record with this other side. Anyway, you guys, I'll catch you when I do
What a
this.
hell of a view.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The most interesting thing is I'm going to wax my armpits because that's part of Tabo's maintenance routine. I've never waxed my armpits. I feel like this is something that I really wanted to do, and that's why I decided to do her maintenance routine, just so I can also experience waxing but not title it as something boring as my first wax, you know. So we're just going to say trying Tabo Daka's maintenance routine. Also because I did my acrylics for the very first time in my life, I feel like they look cute because like my nail take 8. Okay, so I have the baby powder right here. Oh yeah, I have the baby powder right here, and I have the wax strips right over here. I'm not using gel because I don't know how to use it. It's my first time. Those are my armpits and I'm going to be waxing. Woo. Okay, cool. So get some powder. At least this is how Tabo does it in her videos, or in her video on Instagram. Guys, I'm becoming a cute girly. Okay, I'm becoming a cute girly. I feel like I was natural for a bit, only because I didn't have money to do all these things. But you know what? I ate, even in my natural state. Like I ate, okay? I used to look cutesy sometimes. This doesn't have instructions, but it has these little, hey, I think these are the wax strips. Of course they are. So I'm just going to Am I supposed to put at the same time? No, let me put at the same time, because if it hurts this side, I'll chicken out. I know myself. I'll chicken out. So, oh, yo. Okay, so we have the wax. Yay. Wait. Yo, it didn't even come out. Guys, no, you know what's bad? I've already stuck them. So I have to remove them. Yo, it hurts. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. You know what the worst part is? Nothing came out. Nothing came out. So I have to do it again. Do I use the same one? Ew. No. Let me get another one. Okay, wait. Let me try this side. I feel like you guys can't even see me properly. Okay, now you can see me properly. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Nothing came out again. Ow. I think I'm doing it the wrong way. I think I'm supposed to do it. Ish, you guys. I promise you, if it doesn't come out with these ones, I'm done. We're stopping. Okay? We're going to stop. Yo. At first I did it like this, yeah? Okay, let me try doing it like that. Okay, cool. Woo. Okay. I'm a strong girl. 1, 2, 3, go. I don't know why I'm laughing. This is painful. This is painful. Okay. Just hold it from here. 1, 2, 3. How many minutes am I supposed to wait? The problem is that this thing is in French. And I can't understand what's going on. Okay, let's go. I'm a strong girl. 1, 2, 3, go. Sat. I'm sorry. We cannot do this anymore. Do you know it's spinning? And people go and get waxed. They even pay money just to be feeling pain like this. I can't. But Nisha, I'm doing that. Maybe I'm supposed to remove slowly. No, I don't think I'm supposed to remove slowly. I'm just supposed to yank it out. 1, 2, 3, go. I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm not a strong girl. It's so painful. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but we're done. Okay, we're done. We're not doing this. Do you know how it's spinning? It's spinning very much. Yo, I'm sorry. Back to the razor. Back to the razor. I feel like if I ever do get a wax, I'm going to go to professionals to get the wax, not myself like this, because yo, it was fun trying out her maintenance routine, especially with the wax. That's what I was most excited about, and that's what inspired this whole video. But yeah, epic fail. So I'm just going to show you when I did my nails and my hair. Okay, you guys, so after that epic fail, and by the way, it's still stinging in my armpits, like it still hurts a little. This side is okay, but this side, yeah. So I'm not going to be waxing myself anytime soon. Maybe if I go to a professional, then great. But yeah, I went off camera and I just used a razor, like what I'm comfortable with. Next, I'm going to do my lashes. I'm doing my lashes on my nails. Just look so cute. Look. Anyway, let me know what you guys keep in your iPhone box. If you have an iPhone. Oh no, let me just say, what do you keep in your phone box? You know, do you throw it away? I feel like it's weird throwing away your phone box. But anyway, I keep my lash things in my iPhone box. So these are the lashes I'm going to be using. They are 12 inches. This is the glue. It's hair bonding glue. And then, where are the tweezers? And then these are the tweezers. So yeah, these three things. So I'm just going to put them myself, and then I don't know if I should do this on camera. Okay, time lapse, then I'll come back, because I know that it's hard for me to multitask when doing my lashes. But I have my mirror here with me, so I'll put you on a time lapse, okay? Please give it a big thumbs up, share it with somebody, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're trying to reach 20k before the end of the year. And also please follow and subscribe to Tabo Daka's YouTube channel, because she was the muse for this video, of this video. So yeah, it's only good, right? Yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.